My video guide is about removing the online scam that is coming from the site Situationalawareness.sbs. Situationalawareness.sbs is a misleading and deceptive website attacking Google, Chrome, and other browsers. This website displays a lot of scary and faulty messages that try to make people download and install some potentially unwanted programs. These pop-ups by the site Situationalawareness.sbs tell that your computer is infected with 5 viruses, and it tries to trick people into clicking on this continue button. But as I said, interacting with all these pop-ups is dangerous, and this may infect your computer tremendously with potentially unwanted programs. If you click on this continue button, you may be forwarded to some other questionable or deceptive websites. So be careful, don't interact with them, and don't install anything that they suggest. These pop-ups are not related to any decent security program. Instead, they may be the trace of some adware in your system. So first thing you should do is carefully checking the control panel and uninstall any suspicious programs. I also recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. So use this green download button. Install the application and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.